Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how something as complex as the global oil market actually works? It seems like it is always in the news, impacting everything from gas prices to the cost of your groceries. It can feel a bit overwhelming, right? Well, what if I told you we could understand it all using something a little fruitier? Today, we are going to break down the world of oil, not with charts and graphs, but with a bunch of bananas. Yes, you heard that right. Oil explained with bananas. Stick around. It is going to be surprisingly clear. Understanding our banana oil. So, imagine for a moment that oil is not a dark liquid from deep underground, but instead it is this perfectly ripe, golden banana. Just like oil, bananas are super valuable. We peel them, eat them, put them in smoothies, bake banana bread. It powers our day. Oil, our banana, powers our cars, heats our homes, and makes countless products, even the plastic around some of our food. It is a resource that pretty much everyone needs, every single day. Now, just like a banana, oil is not just sitting on the surface for everyone to grab. It has to be found and harvested. The banana farm. Supply and demand. Let us think of oil fields as giant banana farms. Some farms are huge and produce millions of bananas easily. These are like Saudi Arabia or the United States, massive oil producers. Other farms are smaller, harder to work, and produce fewer bananas. The farmers, or oil companies, invest a lot of time and money to plant, grow, and harvest these bananas. Now, we have demand. You, me, everyone in the world wants bananas. When everyone wants a lot of bananas, maybe it is a heat wave, and everyone wants banana ice cream. The demand goes up. If the banana farms cannot keep up, what happens to the price of bananas? It goes up. On the flip side, if there is a huge banana harvest, maybe more than people can possibly eat, or suddenly everyone decides they prefer apples, the supply is high and demand is low. The price of bananas drops. This push and pull between how many bananas are available and how many people want them is supply and demand, and it is the biggest driver of oil prices. What is a weird fruit do you think could explain the economy? Let me know in the comments below. Finding and getting the bananas. Exploration and production. Finding new banana farms is not easy or cheap. You have to send out explorers, scout the land, dig expensive wells, and hope you strike a big bunch of bananas. This is oil exploration. It costs billions, and there is no guarantee you will find anything. Once you find a farm, you need to set up operations. You need to hire workers, buy equipment, and harvest the bananas efficiently. This is oil production. Then, once you have your raw bananas, they are not quite ready for the smoothie yet. You have to peel them, maybe slice them, and package them for different uses. This is like oil refining, turning crude oil into gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and plastics. Each of these are just different forms of the same banana. The global banana market, trading our oil bananas. Our bananas are not just eaten locally. They are traded all over the world. One country grows a lot, another needs a lot. We need big ships, pipelines, and trucks to transport these bananas from the farms to your local grocery store. There are even big organizations like the Banana Farmers Club or OPEC in the real world, where the biggest banana farm owners get together and decide how many bananas they are all going to harvest. If they decide to cut back on harvesting, What happens? Fewer bananas in the market. Prices go up. They have a huge influence on global banana prices. People even buy and sell future bananas, contracts to buy bananas next month at a certain price, hoping they can make a profit when the actual bananas arrive. Why banana prices go wild? Volatility. So, why do our banana prices seem to change so much, sometimes overnight? Asterisk stories. What if there is a hurricane hitting a major banana farm? Suddenly fewer bananas, prices jump. Or if there is a disagreement between two major banana-producing countries, threatening their harvest, prices jump. Economic slowdowns. If the world economy is not doing so well, fewer people are driving their cars or buying products made with oil. They might not be able to afford as many bananas. Demand drops, and so do prices. New technologies. What if someone invents a super efficient electric peeler? That means we do not need as many regular bananas to get our energy. Or maybe we discover a new way to get bananas more cheaply. These can shake up the market too. It is a complex dance between all these factors. Conclusion. So there you have it. Oil explained with bananas. From finding the banana farms to harvesting, processing, and shipping them around the world, the principles of supply, demand, and global events all play a huge role in the price you pay at the pump. It is a system driven by a fundamental need for this valuable resource, our banana. I hope this banana analogy helped make things a bit clearer. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics, and let me know in the comments what other tricky subjects you would like me to try to explain. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.